Okay, we're going to test the three main components of our LG dryer, which has gone bad. These usually go bad because we've got a lot of lint in here and it causes these components to go bad. So the three is the heat. You got the heating element, which is up here. You got the thermal fuse sensor, which I think that's the bad one. That's the one that normally goes out. And then you've got the high limit sensor, which is over here. So we'll start with the heating element. Make sure we got current here. That's good. We'll start with the this guy over here. That's good. Okay. And then this guy I think is going to test bad. Nada. So this is the guy we need to replace right here. It's a $6 part. That's it.